Rented February, March, April, 2026, inviting single-family home at Stony Brook GNCC, bright and cheerful open floor plan, kitchen with stone counters and adjoining dining area surrounded by windows with sliding glass doors out onto an oversized caged lanai with golf and wooded view. Living room has wall of sliding glass doors allowing for easy access to lanai and for the light to filter in. The master bedroom has a king-sized bed and access from sliding glass doors onto the lanai. There are 2 walk-in closets from master bedroom to ensuite master bath with 2 separate sinks and glassed walk-in shower. Your guest will enjoy the privacy of the second bedroom, with twin beds, on the other end of the home, adjacent to the second bathroom. The den provides for added space and the home features a 2-car garage. Stony Brook is an amenity-rich gated community and one of Sarasota's most popular golf and tennis clubs, featuring a Kip Schultz premier-designed golf course, several Har-Tru tennis courts, a fitness center, large heated pool, and restaurant and grill room, plus all of the activities that one would enjoy at a country club. The golf or social membership transfers for a fee. Check with the clubhouse for fee schedule. The community borders their legacy walking and biking trail, is less than 15 minutes from the sugar sandy beaches of Siesta Key, and within 25 minutes to downtown Sarasota. Call for off-season rates.